This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Now is this one. This person has an issue with the different sizes of text on the Squarespace page. We have a link to the Squarespace here as well. So this is the Squarespace website. This is the size of the text on this page. And then this page has an issue with smaller text. So let's first see how big the text on this page is. So the text here is 14.6 pixels. That is the font size. Let's store that here. And then if we move on to the page that has the issue, and then we try to fix the size of this text, you see that there is a class that is applied, and we want to apply the styling only to these P elements. And so let us grab one of these. What is the ID? Not the ID. The IDs that Squarespace has that have numbers are typically dynamic. Just grab that. And then the font size, I believe, is this. We're trying to apply it just to the P elements, and so place P here. Then we enter the font size. And then right as you see, that updates the size to be the same as it is on this page. But now the size for the paragraph or the P element is the same. What I have to do is copy this text or this code and paste it into your Squarespace dashboard. And I'll show you how to do that as well. Okay, we're now in Squarespace, and then we're going to go to Design, Custom CSS, and in this window is where you paste your code. Just copy paste. It's what the code looks like that you'll be using to make sure that this text is the same size as the text on this page. And that's it.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.